Hey, today I'm gonna try to make a cold start on my diesel electric generator running on rapeseed oil. Everything moves a little bit harder when it is freezing degrees. It's 23 degrees Fahrenheit out now, and when it finally starts it smokes like I don't know what, but it smokes a lot. Diesel would have started a lot easier than the rapeseed oil, but when it runs on the rapeseed oil it runs almost as good as diesel. The rapeseed oil is flowing, but it is really like syrup when you try to pour it out. Here it is, it's a common bottle bought in the store. Advantage with running on rapeseed oil, it smells like fried egg or something. But when it has been running for a while, it starts getting warm and it works really good. It takes a little time before the RPM is settling down, but now it is generating 230 volts on one phase and 400 volts in between the phases, so it is running good. And then I try to start it again when it's a little bit warmer. Now the engine starts directly and it finds its RPM and runs smoothly directly. That was all for today. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.